Three siblings helping birds. Hi, everyone! Today, we have a beautiful picture to describe. At the end of the video, you will describe the picture yourself. So, stay with me till the end. This picture shows a lovely garden with tall trees, green grass, and colorful leaves. The air is fresh, and yellow leaves are falling. In the background, there is an old stone gate. Birds are flying in the sky. Look at the boy in the tree. He is the eldest brother. He is wearing a brown vest, a white shirt, and brown pants. His black boots help him climb safely. He is sitting on a strong tree branch and reaching down to take the bird's nest from his sister. He looks happy and careful as he receives the nest with tiny blue eggs inside. He wants to place it safely on the tree. Now, look at the sister standing below. She is wearing a white blouse, a blue skirt, and long boots. Her brown hair is flowing down. She is holding the nest with both hands and lifting it up to give it to her brother. She looks happy and gentle. She loves birds and wants to keep their eggs safe. Now, look at the youngest brother. He is sitting in a wheelchair. He cannot walk, but he is very happy with his brother and sister. He is wearing a light blue sweater and a red scarf. A warm red and orange blanket covers his legs. He is holding a wooden birdhouse in his lap. A small bird is sitting near him, looking at the birdhouse. He is watching his brother and sister with love. He feels happy because they are helping the birds. Look at the trees. There are many colorful birdhouses hanging from the branches. Some are red, some are blue, and all have small holes for birds to go inside. The birds are flying in the sky. The garden is full of life. On the grass, there is a pretty yellow hat with a red ribbon. Maybe it belongs to the sister, and it fell when she was helping her brother. This picture shows love, kindness, and care for animals. The siblings are helping the birds by giving them nests and houses. Even though the younger brother is in a wheelchair, his siblings include him in everything. They love and support each other. This is a beautiful moment of family and nature. Now, it's your turn. Look at the picture again and describe it in your own words. What do you see? What are the children doing? Try to speak in English and practice. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing, and you will learn English easily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun picture descriptions. See you in the next video.